Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 2 Round Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on device icon, and here you should see your AMAZFIT Active 2 Round on the device page. And under it, there will be watch faces and App Store. We need to open the App Store by tapping on it. And here we have the App Store. Give me a second, I'm gonna clean the screen of the phone because it's quite dirty. Okay, now it should be better. As you can see, we have an App Store here, and we can scroll through the list of applications, look for something we want to install. And once you find the application you want to install, I don't know, maybe this one, you can tap on the install button. It will start downloading. You will need to allow some permissions, and then it will start transferring and installing to your watch. And once it's done, you can check by tapping on Mine, and it will appear right here on the list of applications. And then you can close the app. You can go to your watch, wake up the screen on it by pressing the upper button, then open the menu by pressing upper button again. And when you scroll through the app list, you should see the app you installed, probably at the bottom of the list. And then you can tap on it to open the app. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.